You brought up your name too, Jarro, because as you said, you were always at Jarro Studio. 'Cause anytime you'd hear the Jarro dubs, it's always, as I said, Ninja Ford, Predator, Flasher, a whole heap of you guys. But then with even Jarro, where they got their real big thing, and you were part of it too, was when they clashed with Addies in 1995 at Portmore Entertainment Center.
Yeah. I was there from 91. From 1991, you know. I don't remember who bring me to Jarro Studio. Those days, Jarro used to locate at 58 Red Hills Road. Somebody bring me there to record a dub plate with me, you know. And me meet Ricky Trooper, you know. And from there and then, we build a band or a connection, you know, with me and Ricky Trooper, you know. And because Ricky Trooper said to me, say, "Can you know Jarro part of Ninja Man history, you know?"
Of course.
So me I say, and this is my hero in a dancehall, Ninja Man. So when me go to the studio, Ricky Trooper said to me, say, "Ninja Ford, are you safe there, you know?" So me I say, and from that day, Trooper tell me that we just start go to Jarro Studio every day, because when we just start go a Jarro Studio, you know, Red Hills Road, a whole heap of people now go a Jarro Studio yet, you know.
Okay.
So me I say, yeah man, them time Jarro sound just on the verge to bust again. Time I say Jarro did bust because Jarro bust long time, you know. But when Ricky Trooper now, when Ricky Trooper start play the sound, it's a different bus this with Killamanjaro now again. So me I say. So we did it when the whole thing a go on, man. So me I say, cause even one of the biggest dub plate, although the Sanchez and Ninja Ford, that dub plate make when Jarro moved from Red Hills Road and now up at Whitehall. You see me I say? But from the day we go around Ricky Trooper and Jarro sound, you know, it was, as me say, it was an instant connection. We just rate the sound.
Okay, so then, so it was really over at Jarro was where you did a lot of stuff, because even I remember when it came to Ninja Ford, you would hear Jarro and Black Cat. Those two songs played enough.
Yes. And another sound when we used to DJ upon to a lot, you know, is a sound from up a Whitehall when him Mango Rambo.
Yes.
You know, Mango Rambo sound. That's a Mango Rambo. You know, Rambo is the name of the sound. You know, we used to DJ me, Virgo man, and see him one point there. You know, we used to go to enough dance with that sound go DJ. You know, that are one of the sound when we practice since me there in Kingston. You know, we practice a lot on that sound. You know, a couple of dance we go work out. You know, away from Jarro. Yeah, well, you see Jarro Studio now. Jarro Studio, you know, is a studio where play a great role in my career, you know. Because you see by just DJing and DJing in that studio, you know, it more into a great artist, a tough artist, bad artist. You see me I say? And in those days again to a plate, you know. This is not a computer thing. Straight to the plate.
Yeah.
So when I'm say ready, you have to just go straight to the plate and you can't make no mistake on people don't plate. So I say, yeah man. So DJing and both Killamanjaro sound, you know, it helped me to master the craft a certain way.
For sure.
Yeah man, it mold me into a bad artist.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.